welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we're looking at a surprise package regarding Ghostbusters sent by Numskull. Now, Numskull originally sent us over this unique-looking Ghostbusters incense burner, which is actually a very cool-looking piece of art, and I'm excited to see exactly what they sent to go ahead and essentially complement it. Now, they have a variety of different products, including night lights, down to Tubbz, you name it. They have a lot of different characters in terms of Ghostbusters, so if you guys wanted your very own or just checking them out in general, be sure to check out their link down below in the description, and big special shout out to Numskull for sending this over. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what they sent. Woo! Alright, so first off, I see some unique looking Tubbz. We have ourselves a Ghostbusters LED charged cable. They also sent us a case for our Nintendo Switch, so this is nice. And then we have ourselves some unique pins. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Let's go and look at the Tubbz first. So this here is their newest one. This here is the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. Now the unique thing about this particular Tubbz compared to the originals is that this one actually has a scent. Alright, let's see what this thing smells like. Ooh. I want s'mores now. It literally smells like s'mores. This is so cool. How did they do that? Look how cool this guy looks. Definitely high quality, high grade material. So yes, it does come with this unique looking tub, so that is also green. So there is our Marshmallow Man. Only if these things were edible. And then we have ourselves Peter Venkman slime version of the character. So they actually had the originals, but this one here is slime, so it's actually like a collectible, even though these are collectible to begin with. So this here is like a collectible of a collectible version of the character. Moving on, we have ourselves our Nintendo Switch case. So we definitely need our Nintendo Switch for this. And there we are. So let's go ahead and see how this works out. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this case. Oh wow, look at that. So you do get a few different slots. Looks like you can go ahead and store some games in here, so that's kind of nice. And then our Switch will just kind of fall into place just like this. So speaking of the Nintendo Switch, we'll go ahead and look at the Ghostbusters charging cable. It's got the Numskull logo as well as the Ghostbusters logo, so that's actually kind of cool. And of course this does light up, so this is our USB cable. And it looks like it's actually moving, like you can see how the charge is going through it. That is actually definitely very unique. And then lastly, we get these covers for our controller, and then we have our USB. So that is our Switch, all Ghostbusters out. So these are pins, collectible pins. So this here is Mini Puff, so this is regarding the Marshmallow Puff character, this guy right here. So we have ourselves the goggles, so this one's kind of cool too, and the Ecto one. And then lastly, we have ourselves Ghost Dogs quality marshmallows. All right, last but not least, we have our wall light or our official desk lamp. All right, so we get our cable and then we get our wall light. So two ways to use it. You have double A's that you can go ahead and plug and play, or you can go ahead and run the cable to light it up. Oh, cool. That's actually pretty bright. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and just like hang that back there. Probably won't, but yes, very nice. All right, well there you guys have it. So this here's our Ghostbusters box. Definitely a unique surprise, and I actually love it a lot. Now, if you guys had any questions about any of these products, feel free to comment down below. And big special thanks to Numskull for sending us over once again. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye bye.